Hello everyone, for today's video we are doing a stretchy beaded ring tutorial. Let's get started. Materials needed include a ring sizer, scissors, cutters, whatever, crimper, stretchy cord, and whatever beads you want. We're using this today. I also forgot you need a crimp bead. We're gonna start off by stringing the beads onto my stretchy cord. So I'm aiming for a size 4 ring, and you leave a little space, so I'm right now at the 3.5 area. Also keep in mind it's stretchy, so it doesn't matter if it's a little smaller. For the other side, grab scissors to chop the end off. Leaving a little on each side. We have the crimp bead. String it through one side, and on the other side string it the opposite way. Basically it's just like an X. Last step, guys, we're using our crimper tool to just smush down our crimp bead. That should be enough to keep it nice and secure. Grab the scissors. We're just gonna cut off the ends of the ring. Excess. And that's all, literally. It really only takes a few beads. Here we are. Beautiful ring. Wow, wow, wow. That's it. Not very hard. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Peace. Y'all, the moon is, well, sun is literally red right now. Like,